Kiss mama, kiss mama, kiss. Kiss mama. Bakit tayo?
Pinagpalit ni Yoda. Pinagpalit ni Yoda yung ice, pinaghalit siya. Ay, no. Wow, there you go, the food. The food will eat you. You want? Look at the big chicken. They will go down here and eat you.